Welcome back to this class. Yes, in our journey of whole numbers. So this will be the last video, the last concept we are going to consider in week 1 of your GSS 1 mathematics scheme of work. The next thing you are doing on whole number will be in week 2, and that will be basic operations on whole number. That's like addition of whole numbers, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So that will be in week 2. But now, as for week 1, the last thing in week 1 is ordering of whole numbers. That is arranging whole numbers. So how do we arrange whole numbers? It can be from the biggest to the smallest, or from the smallest to the biggest. So what does that tell us? It tells us that we have 2 types of arrangement. We have ascending order. So this is from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest, or from the smallest to the largest. Good. Then the other one is descending order. Descending order. So that will be from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest. So that's very good. Now, question can demand you to answer, to arrange either in this or in this. So they can't ask for the 2 in one single question. They will either say arrange the following in ascending order, or they say arrange the following in descending order. And I bet you arranging whole number is very simple. Very simple. In fact, it's simpler than arranging fractions and arranging decimals. So this is just a matter of looking at the bigger one. So generally, if a particular whole number has more digits, so that whole number is likely going to be bigger than the others. So the one with the least number of digits will be the smallest. But if you are comparing whole numbers that have the same number of digits, that's where the problem is. That's the ambiguous case. And I might not consider that one in this case. So, in this video. So let's see an example. So a question can say, arrange, I want to start as simple as 1 digits. Arrange in ascending order. So let's begin as simple as 1 digit. Let's say 1, 5, 7, 3, 8, and 4. So you want to arrange this in order from the smallest to the biggest. Very, very simple. Everybody can answer this. Even the pepper sellers, they can answer this. Even those that are selling yam in the market, they can answer this. So let's start from the smallest. Of course, the smallest number here is, so let's say the arrangement goes like this. So looking at this, since it is ascending order, so it means from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest here is 1. Next, after that, if you look at other numbers, the next one that must follow has to be 3. So the next one after that has to be 4. So the next one after that has to be 5. You look out if there is 6, there is no 6 here, but the next one should be 7. And then the biggest one here has to be 8. So we don't have any other one bigger than 8. So you can see how simple it is. So this is the simplest case that you can have on arranging numbers. And as a GSS 1 student, you should not even be expecting this, because they can't give you this when you are not a kid in primary 1. So let's see other things that they can ask you. Let's see bigger numbers. So let us see this question. The question says we should arrange in ascending order. That is, from the smallest to the biggest. Of course, the number that has the lowest number of digits will be the smallest. And if you have two of that kind of number, then you will have to still consider some other factor. So if you look at this has 3 digits, this is 4 digits, this is 5 digits, this is 2 digits. So 2 digits must come first. So the order has to go like this. 2 digits is the smallest, so we go for 30 first. Now, after 30, go for, is there any other one with 2 digits? No. Let's check if there is 3 digits. So this is 3 digits, and this is another 3 digits. This is 642, and this is 456. Between 642 and 456, which one is bigger? You don't even need to stress yourself. Check the first digits in both. This is 6 and this is 4. 4 is smaller than 6. So definitely 456 will be next to 30. So then this will automatically follow 642. Now, is there any other 3 digits? No. Then we have 4-digit number, which is 1875. So, and this is 5 digits. Of course, 5 digits will be the highest. So this will follow next. 1875, and then this is 99,462. So this is the order. Now, if you are asked to arrange this in descending order, just take it from the biggest then to the smallest. So in the next class, I'm going to consider ambiguous case where all the numbers can have the same digits and they will look so much alike. So thank you. Let's meet in the next class.